Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to try Rustic Rimfire's, I think it's the Infantry challenge. And shooting here about 10 yards right here. You can do it with a pistol, rifle, or BB gun, I think, or anything you want. Anyhow, I want to do this about 10 yards here with, just because I grabbed it out. It's handy to grab out. Yeah, Smith & Wesson 21, is it 21A, I think, yes. Or 22A. 22A. -1. If you guys follow Gun Wild 1, he gets one of these. He shoots it all the time right there. I have a Bushnell, was it TRS-25 red dot on here. It shoots pretty good. 10 round magazines. Yeah, I didn't buy this gun new. I got it at a pawn shop. I got it for a pretty good price too. But I think I got the box, but I think I only got one magazine for it. Yeah. Go shoot some Remington Ranch hands as we're close here. See what we can do. I did a couple shots at shoot and see target right beside it, and I hitting the bullseye. So hopefully we can do good here. Yeah, I'll let you take up here. And now I can't put you in spine scope because it's just too close. So we'll do it like this, but I'll kind of let you see here. There's my two bullseye shots. So, yeah, I am going to be using resting it. So, let's see, what is it there? The head's worth so many points, and the body so much, and the silhouette's worth so much, and then the dots down below there. We'll take it down, see how we do here when it's all said and done here. So, let me pause you here and get set up here, and we'll get started. Okay. I'm not sure if you should just go for all the heads or go for all the body shots or all the silhouette shots first out, where you're supposed to do all three. Nice day out here, a little breezy. Of course, we're just shooting here close, so it doesn't matter too awful much. Can't remember if I put a round in here or not. Nope, I didn't. Okay. Okay, one top one on the left right there, going for the headshot. Wow, I think I missed that way off. I think I hit the like maybe the shoulder. Okay, let's go for the next one here. And I hit the other shoulder. What the hell? I got fly buzzing around there. Okay, third one, headshot. And I don't know if you guys, you guys can see that down there, hit down the silhouette part. Let's go for the next row down. Boy, oh boy, am I hitting low or what? What the Sam hell's going on here? Go for the middle one. That's hitting low too. I can't believe that. Okay. Let's go for the last one on that row. I'm consistent, I'll say that. I tell you what. I'm not happy with that. I'm going to turn back to here. And I just want to see if I'm hitting low. I might want to pause and adjust this red dot. I can't believe it. You can see the two bullet holes there in that red dot. I said, well, it's 2 or 3 holes I put there. I said, that's good. So I'm going to go for the orange, that orange like arrow on the right hand side. Not the very tip, but where the tip and the line cross. I just want to see where this hits at. That's close enough. And try another one there. Are you kidding me? Now what the hell? I mean, grab them a little bit left there, but what the hell? Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's go for the dots back down on this target. I don't know what problem's going on there. Go for the first dot. I want to aim just a hair higher if I can. Whoa, geez, that went way off. And I'm out of ammo. Hang on, guys. Let me pause you here. Okay, guys, here we go. I cannot believe that. I think we're on the third dot. I actually got one. Okay, how many dots are there? 6 there. Okay, 4th dot. What I do, hit clean over there, but beside the same hole kind of there on that 4th dot. What's that? Wait. Did I shoot twice on the 4th dot? Is that just one? I have to review. I don't know. I'm getting confused. Okay. I think I was going for 4th dot. Maybe I get to get them. Okay. 5th dot. And off the upper right minute, about 1 o'clock. The last dot in that row. You got it? Okay. Bottom row, start on the left one. I think I got it. Did I get it at the bottom? I think maybe. Third one. The 4th one. Got it. Okay, 5th one. I'm not sure on that one. I got to stop each time. Maybe I did. I think I'd see a little bit of light through it. 6th one. Oh, way off on that one. Now, what the hell, guys? Come on now. Okay, let me. I half know to go back for the heads again. But see. Let me look here. Got to adjust you up here a little bit. Okay, we got, it looks like maybe shoulder, shoulder in the center there, shoulder in the center, and upper torso right there. Okay, you guys can see that right there. So I'd say we got, I forget what it comes up to right there. I'm not happy with that, guys. I'm not happy. I wanted to go for the headshots. What it is, I guess. I'm tempted to go for it again. Yeah, but let me pause you here, and we'll get it and take a look at it and see what it looks like. All right, guys, here we go. Yeah, I was aiming at the heads for these, and I was hitting low on all of them right here. So it says, if you hit the heads, 10 points. The center circle here is 5 points, 2 points for this bigger center part, and you do the outsides 1 point. So, and then these are 5 points each. So let's see. We got 1 point, 2 points. I think that broke the line right there. I think that might count. I was at 7 points, 8 points, 13 points, and this counts as 2, so 15 points on that. Now I'm going to get down here. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What am I doing? 15 points up there. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Yes, I got it. Did much better on these ones down here. What the heck? I don't know. Still, they're kind of all hitting low right here. So I don't get that. I shit on that shoot target. I was shooting right on the money. What the hell? So is that what it comes to? If I messed up my math, I didn't take my shoes off to count. So you guys let me know. I think it's 55. Yeah. So let me try one more. Yeah, close enough right there. I'm not done though yet, guys. So let me pause you again. Yes, I know my grass is getting tall again. Okay, give me a break. It's been hot and humid here, and if it ain't hot and humid, it's been raining. So I'm gonna see if I can hit those swingers there. Let's try one here. Just 25 yards. No. All bullshit. Why it's sucking today, I guess. I don't know. Let me turn you here a little bit. Right here it is. This is about, I don't know, it's a little farther back, maybe 28, 30 yards. Yeah, I hit that fine. That's too easy. Okay, let's try the silhouette there. And I know also before I started shooting right there, I was ringing the silhouette here at 75. My problem is that a lot of times I go there and make these videos, I don't do any practice shots, I just start shooting. If I do, it's just a couple shots usually. No. There we go. Yeah, he's aiming a little bit higher, so maybe that's what I need to do to the swinger. Okay, let's come over here. That bigger gong there, it's at 100 yards. See if I can hit that thing or not. That was a hit, I think. Hang on. I gotta pause you again. All right, guys, I had to load back up here. So we're still there at 100 yards, that big gong. Yeah, that's a good ring. Now I'm aiming up for the top of that gong to hit it. You guys can hear that right there. Now it's only like it's only like 1/4 inch steel, so it rings real loud. I don't know if I can hit that orange one there beside or not. That's like, it probably won't ring as loud. It's a lot more smaller, but it's about 3/8 steel. So let me try it. Did I get it there? I think I saw it swinging there. I thought I heard ting. Let's try it one more time here. Not sure about that one. Yeah. Okay, now the grass ain't too high here. You see right down there, past the swingers there, there's a silhouette there. Now that's at 110 yards. Not sure I'll hear that one, but we're going to try it. Oh, that was definitely a ring. Another ring. Another ring. He's on a roll. This is fun. Now I'm trying to get rid of the rest of this Remington ammo I got in here. Let's go for this 50-yard gong. Now this definitely won't ring very loud. You know, because it's for center fire, it's thicker. I don't know what it is, 3/8 or more thick. There, I hit it. Now you guys can see it moving there. I'm out, so hang on a second. I got 5 more rounds I gotta get rid of. 5 more rounds. Having too much fun. Like I say, it's been hot and humid here. It's actually a nice day today. Got a breeze, maybe a little too much wind for rifle shooting, which I'm going to be doing, but okay. Just out of curiosity, 5 rounds waste. I'm going to try to hit that swinger there. I think it's the only one I can see, so. Come on. Come on. I'm trying to aim up higher than that. Maybe I shouldn't. No, that's it. I'm pausing and take you out of there. Alrighty, guys. I was hoping to do better than that on this target right here. With my old eyes, this is kind of the perfect time of day for him right there. So I was hoping to do better. And what the heck? I was ringing the steel one after another on 100 yards and 110 yards. That's all better I can do on this target, but it's fun. Yeah, right there. I'll just say, in case you guys are curious right there, yeah, some guys asked me what kind of pistol rest this is. I've shown this before. It's called a steady point. Good luck finding one. I don't think they make them anymore, but it's all adjustable and stuff. And nice shooting pistol rest right there. All righty, guys. Yeah, well, that's a Smith & Wesson 22A right there. And you see, it shoots pretty daggone good. I could have grabbed one of the other target pistols, but this one was the first one I seen, so I grabbed it. I haven't shot it for a while. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you next time.